everyone! Today I am going to make very simple vegetarian side dish stir-fried potatoes with spring onion. This is my mom's recipe. Since I was young, I grew up eating it. This is so easy to make and very delicious. I hope you will like it. Let's get started. To make stir-fried potatoes with spring onion, we have here half kilo of russet potatoes already cleaned with skin. Skin helps to not to break easily while we are cooking and contains lots of vitamin too. The second main ingredients, spring onion 200 grams, 1 medium size of tomato sliced in thin wedges, 4 whole dried chilies. It gives a fragrant flavor. Use to your taste. 2 large cloves of garlic chopped in julienne, half inch ginger chopped in julienne like this, salt to your taste, little bit of water optional, depends on how dry or saucy you want. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm going to use quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and quarter teaspoon of cumin seeds. If you like the flavor, use it, otherwise skip it. First, I am going to chop the potatoes. Chop it 1 into 6 wedges. If you have a small potatoes, then chop into only 4 wedges. See here, I am going to chop the rest like so. Now set aside if you are keeping it for short time. For a long time, you can leave them in a bowl in cold water. Otherwise, the color of the chopped potatoes are going to change and we don't want that. Now let's cut the spring onion. Can you see the freshness? I brought it from a local vegetable garden. We can't get more fresher than this. Chop it here if they are big, and in the middle if they are large. Then chop them into 2-inch sizes like this and set aside. My pan is already heating in a medium flame. It is hot now. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and wait to get hot. You can use your preferable oil. Oil is hot now. Add the cumin seeds and let it infuse until it gets a brownish color like this. Now add in the chopped ginger and garlic and stir it for around 30 seconds or until it becomes light brown. This helps increase the flavor. When the garlic and the ginger look like this, add in the chopped potatoes. Stir it a bit and let them be evolved by the oil and cumin seeds. Then add in the turmeric and mix it with the potatoes. Besides giving it a nice color, it will give an unique flavor too. See, the turmeric is well mixed. Now add in our whole chilies and half teaspoon of salt or to your taste. Stir everything to combine very well. Turn the heat to medium-low. Now lid on and let it cook for around 15 to 18 minutes. Meanwhile, check it and mix it gently a couple of times to cook evenly. In 15 minutes, it looks like this. Mix it gently again. Cover and cook it for 2 to 3 more minutes if it isn't cooked. After 2 minutes, let's take out the lid. The potato seems soft now. Check it out with a small knife to make sure. This is perfect. It doesn't have to be very soft because we still have to cook for a few minutes. Next, add our tomatoes. This will help to create a citric tomato-y flavor. Mix everything and put the lid on for 3 to 4 minutes or until tomato gets soft. Lid off after 3 minutes and stir it gently to not to break them. Now let's add water. It helps to make it creamy. If you like dry version, then skip it. Stir a bit more gently. Looks so good. Now it's time to add in our fresh lovely spring onions. Stir everything a bit. Be gentle to not to throw out and mix everything well. Now cover it with a lid to cook around 3 minutes. Take the lid off. You can see that everything is cooked. Mix it gently again. And our stir-fried potatoes with spring onion is done. Let's plate. In home, we eat this as a side dish for our main meal. But you can also eat as a snack with beaten rice or by itself. The aroma from the steam is so nice, so good. For the full recipe, please go to pubskitchen.com. I'm also going to garnish with fresh chilies. This is for my personal taste. Add a little bit of lemon juice before serving it. Fresh lemon juice I really recommend to use. It enhances the flavor and make it tastier. And let's taste. Wow, they are cooked to perfection, just like I remember. And the fresh spring onion gives it a nice crunchy and freshness and good for everyone. So this is it. Today we cook stir-fried potatoes with spring onion, Nepali style from my home. This is a great side dish that I have great memory of. You can eat it as a side dish or a starter dish or as a main meal with some warm rice. I hope you enjoy it. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to like and share. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do it now. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.